Today we're going to replace the battery on a 20 gig iPod. It's the 1099 model. It's a 20 gig one. It's very easy to do. First thing we're going to do is use the tool here, small plastic tool, and just go around the outline of the iPod. Once you've done that, you just peel it away and the front will separate from the rear. Remove the hard drive by disconnecting this cable right here. With the hard drive removed, disconnect the battery right here. The battery disconnected, slowly pull out the wire from the side of the board. To risk damage, you may want to use a Torx 6 screwdriver to undo this Torx screw here. This will allow you to lift the board and get the cable out safely. With the cable free, slowly pry up the battery. It is glued on the bottom. With the old battery removed, it's time to put in the replacement. You may want to put on a small little circle of glue on the bottom so it's secure. With a little glue just on this end, place the battery back into the iPod. Place the battery connector back into the board. You may need to just put the wires of the battery terminal behind this clip here to keep it out the way of the case. Reinsert the hard drive back into the iPod. Double check the hard drive is fully connected before closing the case. Turn on the iPod to confirm it works. Lastly, insert a charger to make sure everything charges okay. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you.